Blessings everybody. Welcome to one more new day. One more episode. Yeah. I don't know when me there, but they're under the apple tree, you see me? So upon my way to the farm, stop at the apple tree. Make sure me just pick up some of the goodies, cause see if I don't pick it, a bird will eat it. So I can just drop off and rotten. Look, you see me? A bird will eat the thing them. So you have to pick it to enjoy some and left some for the bird them, but can't make them just drop off and rotten. So we start it. I put them apple in my bag. Can make a move on the road and all. So yeah. Blessings again. Our chat go down on the farm. Yeah one, so just pick the apple them, head down on the farm. Yeah. Just want to give you a quick reason about a little topic, you know. So, why you hear me I talk so much about Mosiah and Christ, and you wonder why the RASTA now say Selassie, you know. Well, I go through that journey there already, you know. I used to talk about Selassie. I used to think Selassie a God. But in time, Selassie himself lead me to Christ. After researching Haile Selassie, the Emperor, all his writings, if you look through it, you see him talk highly of Christ and highly of the Bible. Him say out of his own word, out of his own mouth, that Jesus Christus, which means Jesus Christ in English, is the only and true God. You see me? Jesus Christus was God in flesh. Meaning say God come as a man. Same man where you call Jesus Christ. Jesus Christus. Him come as a man 2021 years ago. That's why we calendar is based off Christ. Because Christ is God. Christ is the creator of all things. And without him was not anything made that was made. Because the word was made flesh and dwelt among us. And we knew him not. Imagine the creator himself come as a man and live upon earth. Come as a simple man too. Because you know I'm never born as a king in terms of in royalty, in the palace. No. I'm born from the humblest woman on earth, Mary. You see me? God chose her because she was a perfect vessel to house the Son of God. And a simple man, a carpenter. So Jesus grew up as a carpenter. Because I learned the trade with him father, you know. So Jesus was a carpenter, simple little man. He was not in the temple and grew up as a high priest. No. He grew up with a simple mother, simple father. A carpenter. And his mother take care of things in the house and thing. You see it? So we have to understand who Christ is before we make no claims, because enough man say Selassie a God, especially Rasta man. You see me? But Selassie himself say I am not God. You see me? Man say I'm a follower of Christ. He's a defender of the faith. That's why I'm defend the Christian faith. You see me? Him not want him African brothers and sisters for a study Egyptology and Kemet and all up a Mahat. No man. Selassie weep if him seeing black people, them do them thing, them man, because that the pagan them did that do. That the Babylonians did that do. That the Egyptians did that do. Remember, we go in Egypt and them the Egyptians turn we into slaves. We meaning Hebrew Israelites. So the Egyptians were worshipping false gods. You see me? The fallen ones, the demons. You see me? And them, so for them power come from. You see it? So that's why when Moses going to Egypt now with him rod and turn it in a snake through the Most High power, what the Egyptian them do? Them have powers too. Them have dark powers. And them turn for them rod in a snake too. You know, so enough man thinks a magic no real. But see then in the Bible it'll show you say magic real. Yeah, so cause same way me have a little testimony too, you know, because me used to do magic like the Egyptians. Me used to study all of Egyptology, and I preach Kemet and Mahat and Horus and, you know, Thahat. Me also I pray far from Christ. Me also burn out Christianity. Me also burn out this white Jesus and burn out Bible. So me also stay, you know. Upon reading Selassie's writings and him works, I saw him teach me about Christ. You know, I saw him lead me to Christ. One thing Selassie said, our missions as Africans and brothers and sisters is to lead everyone to Christ. All our brothers and sisters to Christ as a main mission. That's what Selassie say, you know? So why enough black man and Rastafari I talk about Mahat and Kemet and Kush and one bag of things what you never hear come out to Selassie mouth. So if you pray on yourself and so Selassie I pray. Because Selassie never say nothing about worship gods from Egypt. Only thing him say is worship the God of the Bible, which is Jesus Christus. You see me? Because you don't know, Jesus Christus is God in flesh. God come as man. You see me? Him come wipe away the sins if you believe in him. That's how the cross, the dead pan cross thing. Whoever love Christ shall not perish. Whoever believe in Christ shall not perish, but have everlasting life. You know? So, I so continue with them reasoning, you know, with the on the farm, you know. Because I don't tell them I have a YouTube channel to talk about God and Christ and so. So yeah, this is the update. For the wild cabbage, aloe vera. You see the big glass stand up on the wild cabbage, so that means I catch money, you know? Tomato them. I'm just give the tomato them a little break from the whole heap of water every day. So see them look nice and green and a flourish. So I give them some water now. But it look like rain will fall, you know. I don't know if you can see the cloud them, but like rain will fall. Tomato them are grow nice. So yeah, just a go to the checkup, just reaching, so observe the plant them. So the strawberry them here now, them look good too. Got that one here shoot up nice one. Luscious. Look at the one what I was telling you was flowering. See it here, 2 flowers. Yeah man, and 1 flowering right here so too. So here, strawberry look good. Looking good. This one flowering as well. What? You see that beautiful flower? Nice. But couple of the strawberry them kind of sufferish, man. Look like I'm gonna plant them over a little more in the shade because too much direct sunlight upon them. Too much. I'll go up to the seed bed now. Check out. Oh, cover yourself look luscious, man. Yo. Alright, first we could check the peanuts. So the peanut them are growing nice. Look at this peanut that here. On the progress one. Peanut look nice and strong. You see how the ashes make the thing them just luscious. So we know so the ashes work. We need to experiment again with the neem solution for the pesticide control, but can look at the watermelons, them gone. Them dead. Insects still there on them right now. Watermelons never make it. So the basil here. Basil look nice. Take out this leaf. Lettuce look nice too. Look like it can plant out soon. Oh, the pak chai look nice too, so we can plant out as well. This are the cabbage, so we can plant out the cabbage too. Cucumber them look big and strong, but a lot of insects. Look, so the insect them, man, I forgot to spray it with something. Life. Must can find something organic, man, and deal with it. Come here, hear some solution with some vinegar and some things. I do some research. So I soon find the right thing. So the carrots, man, them looking nice too. So yeah, that's the update on a luscious bed, man. Looking very green and luscious to me. Beautiful, man. Alright, enough of that cinematics. So yeah, that's the update on the farm. I'm gonna water everything and then linking up real soon. Yes, brothers and sisters, just finish water everything, so we'll have a little rest, you know. Yeah, man. They are give thanks, you know. Give thanks for good health and strength. So I can move around and active and do things. You know? I remember one time I have a foot injury, man, and couldn't walk on it at all, not even to go to the bathroom. Man, so if you can walk, come so far on this rugged terrain and actively do things without feeling pain or anything like that, man, it's a joy if you just give thanks, you know, because me remember the rough times when I'm sick, injured, and I saw me give thanks for the good times and how many good days Father bless you with, you know. So I give thanks for blessed days like these when I have health and strength and I can do works. I'm not bedridden, you know. So yeah. So this Rasta man believe in Jesus Christus. That is Jesus Christ in English. Jesus Christus is a Ethiopian term where Selassie used. We call it Amharic language. So, but me use Jesus Christ more time just for us, so people can just relate, you know. Because if I say Jesus Christus, one might confuse and wonder what the Rasta talk about, you know. But from me explain it now, still you can understand Jesus Christus mean Jesus Christ, you know. So yeah. So I man is a follower of Christ, a child of God, you see me. And I do most of my works, and I do works by the sweat of your brow, so shall he eat bread. Yeah, man. Somebody I tell you before, me was so deep in a magic and holy for lighting of candles and incantations and chanting this and chanting that, and that's how my life used to stay. Well, esoteric. You understand? So Jano, Father bring me out of the darkness, bring me into the light. So I give thanks, you know. And also now, with a love for just share the light with anybody else. Cause really and truly, if somebody not tell you about Christ, how you gonna really know about him, you know? So that's the thing where you have to open your mouth and spread the good news, make your actions show the glory of Christ so people will admire Christ-like living and want some of that, you understand? So yeah, give thanks for Selassie, man, lead me to Christ, the true and living God. Everything else a devil. Even a Jesus Christus you deal with, a devil you deal with. Simple. Simple as that. Because the devil is the God of this world. Yeah. So the challenge is not just farming alone. I share my experience and the reason we do at the same time because you don't know, the plant them grow slowly. So it's not like you're going to see drastic change like tomorrow. You understand? So I'm showing you the daily vlog and same time reason with you know about certain things, you know. So yeah. Look like you can seal it up for the episode that's still update on the cane. You know the cane them well dry. Let me show you. Cane them over here so. You know them well dry, man. Should have plant them in the sun like that, man. Should have plant them in a nice cool shade and thing. So we learn. Probably use some nice luscious big cane. You don't know and plant it elsewhere, you know. Strawberry are do good to a flower. I think 3 flowering right now. I forgot check again, but it look like 3 strawberries flowering. So them still have fruit. And wild cabbage, don't know it still a do it thing. Still have life, you know, dead. Aloe vera, I don't know that easy to catch, cause it's a part of the cactus family, you know. And the tomato them, they look nice, chocho. Them looking good, you know. And the seed bed looking good. Watermelons never make it. And the insects moving on to the cucumber now. So Jano need to come up with a solution ASAP, or else we're gonna lose the cucumber as well. Man. So you don't know the organic farming. As you can see, that is why enough man use chemicals. Cause look how we lose the watermelons to the insects, you know. But there are organic chemicals out there. And we're gonna experiment. We're gonna try this, try that, and see which one work the best. We're not give up. You don't know, and that's why we have vlogged the experience. So you see it, and everything perfect. You see when we go through the rough time as well. And that good, you know. So you can learn from we, so you don't have to go through them things there, you know. So yeah, like I'm gonna seal it up for the episode, yeah. Give thanks for watching, listening, reasoning. Make a comment, tell me what you think about my journey to Christ. You know, the journey long still, so can do a little bit every day and thing, you know. Now make that one too long. So yeah, just seal it off and all. Blessings, one perfect love in Jesus Christus' name. So let it be. Long life and livity. Yes, I. Bless up, you know. Respect. Yeah, everybody. I just want to add in a little clip here. Just before we seal up on the episode here. Yeah. Because I hear some come on nearby river. You see me? If you just come pull a nice wash off. I don't know. Deal with my locks, wash my locks, nice. Yeah man, so that little spot there I just always come and bathe, you know. Nice little river vibes. So I just want to share that little piece of the piece of clip here with you, you know. Piece of my life. Yeah. So them beautiful river here there in Manchester, man. Enough people not even know the river there in Manchester. Look here. Look at people, man. Yeah, man. Beautiful river. So I go dive in here now. Wash off my locks. Yeah. I gotta deal with that, you know. Don't know. Family day up here, so. So, yeah. Serious squint pound. So, yeah. I gotta deal with it. Yeah, man. Blessings. Yeah, everybody. See it here. May I see right? Wash we here. Free. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. We get to wash the locks. Get to wash it. So we have to wash it. Come out the river. Wash it nice. In a nice wash the hair. In the bathroom, in a basin and them thing there. And I like to come out the river, come wash my hair. Yeah. You know, and all the vibes of the family. God, Sarah, enjoy the water too. Enjoy the water, Sarah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I just want to share that with you, know. Yeah. Still a farmer, but I can enjoy myself too. Not true? Yeah, man. See it there? So who never know? Beautiful river there in Manchester, man. For all who never know. We're there under one gazebo right now. Beautiful river, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so no tomorrow up on the farm. I don't know. All work and no play. Make the RASTA dull, boy. You see me? So yeah, blessings, respect for watching. So no tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is the river walking up on the side. Yeah. You have a nice little walkway. You have the river up on the left hand side. Yeah, man. Quite a place beautiful. Look on them nice scenery. On them epic plant. Yeah. Place epic, man. Nice river. Manchester. Close to Centyside. St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man. Showing the place. That place nice. Nice river, man. They're right next on the roadside too. So quick access. Yeah, man. I just had a nice pool area where people can have a swim. Nice, man. Look at that beautiful water. Yeah, man. And look a mini waterfall. Beautiful Manchester, man. So yeah, you see why I left the city. So I'm there telling you about. You know, I get them vibes there in the city. Not them way. Not like this. If you get this in the city, you have to pay for it. And then you have million people. It's a nice little walk too. It's an uphill trod. Nicely paved road. Walkway. Get to know one tree they dropping out the river over there, so. Place nice, man. So yeah, that's a little walkway, walking tour to the vehicle. See the vehicle over here, so head back to the vehicle. Have a little bridge over here, showing you the water. Whew. Yeah, over here so nice too, man.
Have a little bench.
Oh, that epic, man. We come enjoy that one day. Don't let it look nice to pour, man. Yeah, I'm up on the road now. See the Vicks Corolla wagon. Yeah, I only just want to look on the water over this side. Yeah. Got the river go up the road. Okay, man. Over here is beautiful. I come hold a swim over here so one day. And swim go right up the river. You ever see it?
Wow.
Look how it clear.
Yeah, it looks like a beach.
Yeah. I'm going to swim here so next time, man. And this are the shallow area over there, so. Can't swim in another deep spot here.
Yeah, it's a little deeper for it. That's
Yeah,
look
man.
like the beach, man.
epic. I just them branch that we clean out of the river. So next time, if it look like this, I shall have a swim over here. Yeah, man. So I eat that for the vlog. I know say enough time we seal it up. Soon or tomorrow. Finally, for real this time. Sarah, tell them bye. Ta-ta!
Ta-ta!
Alright. Ta-ta! Alright.